If your plants have been growing just fine, instead of exploding with colour, size and vigour, you're about to uncover the upgrade that transforms regular compost tea into a turbocharged elixir your garden will crave week after week. This is the moment we stop treating rice as just food and start using it as the microbial fuel that turns ordinary soil into a thriving, high-performance ecosystem. Gardeners here on Crop Corner, this one small change will completely shift the way you brew, feed and grow. Because once you see what rice does inside compost tea, you'll never make another batch without it. Compost tea works because it's alive. Every cup is loaded with beneficial microbes that help your plants break down nutrients, fend off disease, and build powerful root systems. Instead of overwhelming your soil like synthetic fertilizers often do, compost tea activates the soil life that feeds your crops naturally, efficiently, and safely. But here's the thing. Those microbes need food to multiply, and the more they multiply, the stronger your tea becomes. That's where rice changes everything. Rice is naturally packed with starches and mild sugars, the exact fuel beneficial microbes love. When you rinse uncooked rice and release that cloudy, nutrient-rich water, you're creating a microbial feast. Add that to compost tea, and suddenly your microbes go from slow and steady to full-speed reproduction. That means faster nutrient breakdown, faster nutrient absorption, and plants that respond with richer green leaves, sturdier stems, bigger fruits, and visibly accelerated growth. This is why gardeners who try this hack often see results in just days. The tea becomes vastly more biologically active. The best part is how simple this method is. No chemicals, no complicated additives, no expensive fertilizers, just rice, water, compost and air. Most of us already have unused rice in the pantry, and the transformation it creates in the garden is nothing short of impressive. The goal is to feed your microbes the cleanest, simplest carbohydrate source so they can powerfully fuel your plants. To make the rice-powered compost tea used here on Crop Corner, start with 1 cup of uncooked white rice. Pour in 2 cups of clean water and rinse the rice until the water turns milky. That cloudy water is exactly what you want. Strain out the grains and save the liquid. You can cook the rice separately because it's not needed for the tea, only the rinse water matters. Pour the rice water into a 5-gallon bucket. Fill the rest of the bucket with non-chlorinated water. Add 2 cups of high-quality compost, and if you have worm castings, mix in 1 additional cup to enrich the tea even further. Stir thoroughly, then aerate the mixture for a full 24 hours using an air pump. Aeration keeps your tea alive and prevents harmful anaerobic bacteria from taking over. After a day of bubbling, the tea will smell earthy, look foamy, and be absolutely loaded with beneficial microbes. To use the tea safely and effectively, dilute 1 part of the finished tea with 3 parts water. The ratio is important. This ensures your plants get the benefits without overwhelming delicate roots. If you're using it as a foliar spray, apply it within 4 hours of straining while microbial activity is at its peak. For soil drenching, you can extend usage to 24 hours as long as the solution is kept aerated. There are a few crucial rules to follow for best results. Never use cooked rice in the tea. Cooked rice breaks down too fast and, well, encourages harmful bacteria instead of beneficial ones. Don't let the tea sit for more than a day, unless it's being actively aerated, because stagnant tea quickly becomes anaerobic and unsafe for plants. And, avoid adding extra sugars or molasses when you already use rice. Too many carbohydrates can throw your microbial balance off and even attract pests. The simple formula works because it keeps everything balanced. 1 cup uncooked rice, 2 cups rinse water, compost, 5 gallons total brewing volume, and continuous aeration. What you'll notice next is, honestly, immediate transformation in your garden. Leaves turn a deeper, richer green because the boosted microbial activity unlocks nitrogen faster. Flowers bloom larger and more vibrantly because phosphorus becomes more available. Root systems expand dramatically, helping plants anchor better and draw up more nutrients and moisture. Stressed plants rebound faster thanks to greater microbial diversity supporting their recovery. For fruiting crops like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers and squash, you'll see earlier flowering and noticeably heavier production. Leafy greens respond with fuller heads, crisper texture and quicker maturity. And perhaps the most powerful change happens underground. Your soil becomes softer, more fertile and far more structured as microbes rebuild the foundation your plants depend on. Once you master the core rice compost tea, you can elevate it even further. If you're growing leafy crops, adding a small amount of alfalfa meal boosts natural growth hormones. For fruiting crops, a light scoop of kelp meal delivers potassium that helps size and flavour. And for long-term soil building, mixing in a small handful of biochar helps the microbes hold on to nutrients longer. You can customise your brew at different stages of plant growth, but always test additions carefully so you maintain the tea's biological balance. For foliar spraying, apply early in the morning when the stomata are open and ready to absorb nutrients. For soil applications, late afternoon or early evening is ideal, preventing rapid evaporation and giving microbes time to settle into the soil. A weekly application is perfect for most plants, though heavy feeders may thrive with 2 treatments per week. This rice-infused compost tea hack isn't a fad. It's a science-backed, practical method that empowers your soil, energizes your plants, and boosts productivity without synthetic chemicals. Your plants deserve more than basic watering and standard compost. They deserve a living, breathing solution that supports their growth naturally from the roots up. If this guide helped you and you want more powerful, organic, results-driven gardening methods, make sure you subscribe to Crop Corner. Share this video with another gardener who loves turning simple ideas into extraordinary growth. Let's keep growing smarter, greener and stronger together.